Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can check the battery health on your Apple Watch just like you do on your iPhones. So let's begin the video. In order to view the battery health on your Apple Watch, it's pretty simple. First of all, you're going to click on the digital crown button to open the apps library. Once in the apps library, you're going to scroll down until you find the settings app. In my case, it's right here. Open the settings app. From here, we're going to scroll down until we find the option battery. So here you can see we have the option battery. Click on the battery option. Currently 37% battery is left on this Apple Watch. If I scroll down, you're going to have the option battery health. Click on battery health, scroll down, and here you can see maximum capacity 85%. So the battery health of this Apple Watch is 85%, and usually when your Apple products are below 80% battery health, then they start to lose their battery pretty quickly. But anyways, if you're buying a used watch, in this way you can tell what is the battery health of that Apple Watch. So if you guys like this quick video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.